Hey guys, this is Our Dog Vlogs, and today we're going to be showing you how to make a Lego butterfly knife. Alright guys, here, just wait a second. Gotta get it. Look at my Deucey. Look at my Deucey. Deucey, Deuce, Deuce, come here. Say hi to the viewers. Alright guys, so I gotta find a good point here. Ah, dang it, guys. Yeah, I'm just gonna have to do this with one hand. Alright, so guys, you're gonna need I'd prefer this size for your handles, and then pretty much any size you want for the blade. And you need 2 of these little 3 Technic pieces. And then you gotta have these 3 connectors. This one right here isn't no different from these ones, so you could just use 3 of those. Wait, no, this one is different. Sorry guys. You're gonna need a blue one of these, 2 of these gray ones, and yeah, just put the short end of the blue one in the middle. Then the other 2, oh dang it, other 2,
so itchy,
like that. There it is. The 3 pieces are kinda hard to find, you guys. So, all in all, this is what you want to have. As you can see, these things spin. And then this one, oh wait, that one doesn't spin a lot, so. Alright guys, so you're gonna put your blade in the middle on the blue part, like that. So, you guys, just go ahead and do that. I really need like a phone stand, guys. Or guys, I'm just gonna put you guys down for a second. Alright guys. So here's our blade. Now let's take our 2 handles, and then I'll be right back. I'll be a robot. Sorry for the background terrible music. Yeah. And then you want to have it looking like that. And I think you can use one, but it's going to be a little bit more loose. So I just prefer using 2 of these. Alright. Dang it. Alright guys, so you want to have the little 3 Technic pieces on each side, and then dang it, I dropped my phone, guys, sorry. Yeah, so here's your butterfly knife. Might have to give it some upgrades so it doesn't, oh dang it, it's my finger. I guess, so I have it to, ow, I keep on pinching my finger. Yeah guys, so that's how I make a Lego butterfly knife. And subscribe to Our Dog Vlogs, leave a comment in the description below. Leave a comment in the comment section below, and leave a comment on what I should build out Legos next. Nothing too big. So, yeah, guys. I'll see you in a bit. This is my dog. He's sleeping. Yeah, guys, I'll see you later.